Look at this sentence. Any line drawn parallel to the parallel sides of a trapezium divides the non-parallel sides proportionally. कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होते हैं. उन्हीं में पहला पॉइंट है, इन द केस ऑफ ट्रापीजियम I have taken here in the trapezium ABCD. AB is parallel to DC according to the definition of trapezium. Suppose that one line is drawn here which is parallel to the parallel sides. Suppose that हम एक लाइन यहाँ ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं जो कि पैरेलल साइड्स के पैरेलल है और इसका नाम दिया जा रहा है PQ. Then this PQ intersects AD at point P and BC at point Q. So this point P divides the sides AD into two segments. Similarly, point Q divides the sides BC into two segments. So ratio of these two segments on the side AD and ratio of the two segments on the side BC become equal to each other. That means this line PQ divides DA and CB proportionally. Proportionally का मतलब हो गया सेम रेशियो में ये लाइन इन दोनों लाइंस को डिवाइड करता है. ये लाइन को हम किधर भी शिफ्ट करें, ऊपर करें या नीचे करें, हर स्थिति में जो दो सेगमेंट बनेगा उनका रेशियो आपस में सेम होगा. सो हियर इट इज गिवन दैट इन ट्रापीजियम ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. It is given. We draw PQ parallel to AB and AB is parallel to DC. So what we have, and AB is parallel to DC. That means when we combine these two lines, then we have AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to DC. Means all the three lines are parallel here. In this case, the parts of the sides AD and parts of the side BC become equal to each other in terms of ratio. Therefore, अगर हम नीचे से इस साइड रेशियो तैयार कर रहे हैं तो इधर भी नीचे से ही करेंगे, और अगर ऊपर से करेंगे तो दोनों और ऊपर से ही करेंगे. तो फिलहाल हम नीचे से रेशियो तैयार कर रहे हैं. AP by PD is equal to BQ by QC. इसका मतलब हो गया कि लाइन PQ ट्रापीजियम की साइड्स को प्रोपोर्शनली डिवाइड करता है. अब इसको बेस्ड कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं. Look at this question. In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. P and Q are 2 points on AD and BC respectively, such that PQ is parallel to DC. And it is given PD is equal to 18 centimeter, BQ is equal to 35 centimeter, QC is equal to 15 centimeter. Then find AD. We have to find the length of AD. And to find AD, you have to find out AP at first. So, what we have here, since AB is parallel to DC, it is given AB is parallel to DC and given PQ is parallel to DC. That means all the three parts are parallel to each other. So what we have, therefore, the line PQ divides the sides AD and BC proportionally. That means we can prepare the ratio AP by PD is equal to BQ by QC. Now just put the value. AP is given. You have to find out AP, you have to find out PD is given 18 centimeter, BQ is given 35 centimeter, QC is given 15 centimeter. centimeter into 18 centimeter divided by 15 centimeter. Now cancel 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. 6 3 are 5 3 are 0. So what we have? 42 centimeter. So AP is 42 centimeter. That means you have to find out. Now you have to find out AC. So now AC is equal to AP plus BD. AP we have found 42 centimeter plus BD is 80 centimeter. That means 60 centimeter. AC is equal to 60 centimeter. Look at the second point. The diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. In this trapezium ABCD, the diagonal AC and the diagonal BD intersect each other at point O. So, only they intersect or some quality we can find out there. So, the characteristic is that both the diagonal divide each other proportionally. Proportionally means दोनों diagonal एक दूसरे को जो जिन सेगमेंट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो O पॉइंट डायगोनल AC को दो सेगमेंट में डिवाइड कर रहा है, AO एंड OC. तो इनका रेशियो AO बाई OC इक्वल होगा डायगोनल BD के दोनों सेगमेंट के रेशियो के, मीन्स BO बाई OD. बस ध्यान यह देना है कि अगर हम रेशियो ऊपर से तैयार कर रहे हैं पहले डायगोनल का, तो दूसरे डायगोनल का रेशियो भी ऊपर से ही तैयार करेंगे. सो व्हाट वी हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, AO डिवाइडेड बाय OC इज इक्वल टू BO डिवाइडेड बाय OD. तो ये एक रेशियो हुआ जिसके आधार पर हम प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं, और इस स्टेटमेंट को हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, मीन्स बोथ द डायगोनल इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर proportionally. Look at this question. In the given figure, if AB is parallel to DC, then find the value of x. Also, it is given that AO is equal to 3x minus 1, OB is given 2x plus 1, OC is 5x minus 3, and OD is 6x minus 5. Here you can find that AB is parallel to DC. So since what is given here it is given that AB is parallel to DC. That means what this imply? This imply ABCD is a trapezium. Now use the property of the trapezium in respect of diagonals. We know that diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. That means what we have, therefore we can write AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. That means diagonals divide each other proportionally. That means now put the value here. AO is 3x minus 1, OC is 5x minus 3, BO is 2x plus 1, OD is 6x minus 5. Just do the cross multiplication. Then 3x minus 1, 6x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 1, 5x minus 3. Now write the steps here. We can find it after multiplication. 18x square minus 21x plus 5, and here 10x square minus x minus 3 we have. After simplifying the steps, we can find that 18x square and here is 10x square, it become सभी को इस साइड लाएंगे. Then we have 8x square minus 21x minus 1x means minus 20x plus 5 minus 3, that means we have plus 8. You can find that 4 is common to all the terms, just remove it. Now take out 4 common from all the terms. You can find that here 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Send 4 to other sides, then it becomes 0. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So when you factorize it, then you can find that the two factors as x minus 2 and the other factor as 2x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means we have x is equal to 2 and the other value is taken as 1 by 2. So these are the two values of x. अब हमें चेक करना है कि कौन सा वैल्यू यहाँ पर सही है और कौन सा वैल्यू गलत है. यहाँ यह भी देखना होगा क्या दोनों वैल्यू सही है. तो when you look at the value of 2 and put everywhere in place of x, then you can find x is equal to 2 gives the positive value for everyone. But for x is equal to half, you can find that somewhere it gives the negative value for the line segments, means the parts of the diagonal. When you put half here, then you can find that OC gives negative value, and similarly when you put x here as equal to half, then again you get the negative value. That means this value cannot be considered. But for x is equal to 1 by 2, we find that OC is equal to 5x minus 3. Put the value of x, 5 into 1 by 2 minus 3. That means 2.5 minus 3. That means 0.5 minus 0.5. It gives the negative value. So since it gives the negative value, that means it cannot be considered, because the distance cannot be negative. Distance cannot be negative. तो distance तो negative नहीं हो सकता. That means we cannot take. So we cannot take x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Here, right? So, x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Look at this concept. If 3 or more parallel lines are intersected by the two transversals, then the intercepts made by them on the transversals are proportional. What do you mean by the intercept at first? Up to class 8 you have already discussed about, it is already discussed about the transversals. Suppose that two parallel lines are given and another line intersect both of them at the distinct point. Suppose that at the point A and at the point B. Then the part of the transversal between these two given lines is said to be the intercept. इंटरसेक्ट मीन्स ट्रांसवर्सल का वैसा पार्ट जो दिए गए इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में आता है. इस तरह से ए और बी को लेकर जो पार्ट बना उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? इंटरसेप्ट कहेंगे. तो यहाँ भी बहुत सारे इंटरसेप्ट्स तैयार हैं. उन इंटरसेप्ट्स को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है इस प्रॉपर्टी के आधार पर. Here it is given that L is parallel to M is parallel to N. Lines are represented by a small letter of alphabets. So here these three lines are parallel to each other and these two transversal intersect them at the distinct points. In that case, how many intercept you can find out? AB is the intercept, BC is the another intercept, DE is the third intercept and EF is the fourth intercept. AB and BC are the intercepts for the transversal P by these three lines. Similarly, D and EF are the intercepts for the line on the line Q for these three parallel lines. So according to these statements, the intercepts made by them on the ट्रांसवर्सल पर इन तीनों लाइंस के द्वारा बनाए गए इंटरसेप्ट्स प्रोपोर्शनल होते हैं. दैट मीन्स इनका रेशियो आपस में सेम होता है. एक ट्रांसवर्सल पर बनाए गए इंटरसेप्ट का रेशियो दूसरे ट्रांसवर्सल पर बनाए गए इंटरसेप्ट्स के रेशियो के इक्वल होगा. दैट मीन्स इसके अकॉर्डिंग हम स्टेटमेंट तैयार करेंगे. ए बी बाई बी सी इज इक्वल टू डी ई बाई ई एफ. तो ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है जिसके आधार पर हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं इन दिस कंडीशन.